So a lot of you may know already na I'm working full-time as a freelancer, specifically as an e-commerce virtual assistant. Pero I would like to share with you guys na recently, tumanggap ako ng isang project proposal from a US client. So part-time lang naman siya guys, 1 to 2 hours a day and 5 times a week during weekdays. Tapos ayun na nga, natuwa ako kasi naka-earn ako ng extra weekly income of about $100 on top of my regular salary as a freelancer or as an e-com VA. So ito na nga yung proof of payment ko guys for working for 10 hours only with this client so far. I already got paid $100. So ayan, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo tong side hustle din na to kasi pwede nyo rin tong i-consider as a part-time option. Kung gusto mo malaman tong opportunity na to, make sure to stay with me up until the end para wala kang ma-miss. Hi again everyone, my name is Russell. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, please consider subscribing and click the bell icon below para updated ka sa mga videos natin about making money online. Don't forget then to like and share this video and leave your comments in the comment section. And guys, if you want to know more opportunities about making money online, different side hustle tips, make sure to visit my channel. May mga organized playlist na tayo dyan para ma-check mo pa yung mga specific videos na gusto mo. Proceed tayo agad sa topic natin. And I would like to share with you a side hustle which is being a social media manager. Ito guys, yung recent project na tinanggap ko. So, a social media manager is in charge of managing and increasing the social media presence of a company to upscale the business. A social media manager is tasked to develop strategies, produce great content, analyze data usage, facilitate customer service across social media platforms, and manage projects and campaigns. So in general guys, ikaw yung mag-handle ng mga social media account ni client or nung business, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or kung ano pa man, and you need to implement specific strategies for the growth of the business, the page, or the website. So ano ba yung mga task ng isang social media manager? So yung mga tasks talaga as a social media manager guys, magdedepende yan dun kay client. Pwedeng mga general task lang like posting, engagement, pwede din naman yung mga advanced sa mga ads or marketing. So depende yan sa i-require ni client. So kaya may iba-iba tayong level ng social media manager. Merong entry level, pwedeng may intermediate, and pwedeng advanced. So for entry level, pwede yung mga beginners as long as alam mo kung paano gamitin yung social media. So now, let's talk about the possible task na pwede mong gawin as a social media manager. So number 1 guys is engagement across social media platform and customer service. So kailangan mong sumagot ng mga messages sa mga page, kailangan mong mag-react and reply to comments and to reviews. Next is content posting. So you're in charge to post different content. So that includes a specific topic or specific caption dun sa content, the use of proper keywords, and so on. Tapos, in charge ka rin for content planning and scheduling. Syempre guys, hindi naman pwedeng basta-basta post lang ng content. Dadaan yan sa planning and strategy. And yung content scheduling, so yun yung pag-schedule ng mga post for a certain week or a certain month para naka-ready na yung mga content nyo. So, automatically mapopost na lang siya. So, usually guys, for Facebook, yung ginagamit is yung Meta Business. So, merong feature yan si Facebook or Meta Business wherein you can schedule post. Pwede nyo rin gamitin yung later. And there are a lot of other tools na ginagamit ng mga social media managers for content posting and scheduling. Tapos, you're also in charge of creating high quality and engaging content. Yung mga ipopost na videos, na photos, or status updates. So, ikaw din yung magkikreate ng mga yon. Ikaw din yung mag-e-edit ng mga photos and videos na yon. Basic editing skill ay kailangan din dito as a social media manager. So for me, I personally use Canva to edit Facebook or Instagram posts. So with Canva kasi, you have templates na for stories, for Facebook or IG posts. So you can definitely use those templates, tas i-edit nyo na lang sila. Tapos ito guys, advanced skill na to. Some clients would require Facebook ads, Google ads, ads reporting. So ito na yung mga pag-run ng ads, pagsasend ng mga reports about outcome of the ads, or return of investment. So if ang client ay nagre-require ng gantong skill sa isang social media manager, usually mas mataas yung rate. And for me, if you will notice nga na $10 per hour yung nabayaran sa akin ng client ko, that's because it also includes Facebook ads, Google ads, and reporting. Another task that you can do is to perform research on current benchmark trends and audience preferences. So, syempre, kailangan din alam mo yung ano yung mga trending, ano yung mga mas gusto ng audience na type of post, mga designs, kung ano ba yung mga usually na engaging content. So, those are the usual tasks. Ano naman ba yung mga skills required or yung mga qualifications? So, dito guys, for entry level, yan yung mga around $3 to $5 yung rate. Sometimes, may mga client na nag-hire ng entry level na itatrain pa nila for social media management. So, yung mga client na yan, usually mababa lang yung rate. Pero, hindi sila nagre-require ng mga intensive experience. A beginner can apply for an entry-level social media manager post. Pero, you need to have familiarity of using Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or kung ano man yung mga platforms na ipapagamit sa ni client. Pero some clients would require hands-on experience in content management. Kailangan din ng basic to advanced skill, depende rin kay client, when it comes to editing. Tapos another advanced skill na i-require ni client din is experience in terms of SEO or search engine optimization, keyword research, and Google Analytics. You need to have a creative mind as a social media manager. You need to have an excellent communication skills kasi makikipag-communicate ka with the client and makikipag-communicate ka with the community or yung audience. And you also need to have analytical and multitasking skills. So for the technical requirement, guys, you need a laptop or a PC. Yung specs ng laptop or PC would depend kung ano yung kailangan ni client. And you need to have a stable internet connection. Now, for the salary and mode of payment, ayun nga guys, you can get $3 to $10. Depende dun sa mga task na kailangan ni client at mga skills na kaya mong i-offer. Minsan, magdadepende rin yung rate mo kung ano ba yung mga platforms na hawakan mo. So, for example, mas mataas yung rate kung ima-manage mo lahat ng social media accounts ni client. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, or kung ano pa man yung ginagamit ni client. For the payment method, usually, mga ginagamit ng mga clients ay PayPal, Payoneer, Wise, bank transfer, or depende kung may mga ibang alam pa yung client nyo na payment method. So, most of the social media manager posts, guys, ay part-time lang kasi hindi naman kailangan na lagi kang naka-online. So, may specific times lang na kakailanganin ka ni client. And it's totally non-voice. Kasi lahat ng mga task naman na yan ay non-voice task. Kailangan mo lang sigurong makipag-communicate through voice or video call kapag may meeting kayo ni client. Now, ang tanong guys, saan ka ba makakuha ng client or saan ka pwedeng mag-apply as a social media manager? Personally guys, I look for clients on onlinejobs.ph. And itong recent part-time client ko na to ay nakuha ko rin from that platform. Pero here are the websites from where you can get your client. So yun nga guys, onlinejobs.ph, upwork.com, freelancer.com. Ito ay mga freelancing platforms from where you need to create your account. Kapag nakapag-create ka na ng account, kailangan mong maghanap ng mga clients or job posts using keywords. Then we have other agencies or platforms din na pwede mong applyan. Pwede kang mag-apply kay Cyberbacker, LiveWorld, Coconut VA, My Outdesk, and AutoGrow. So, itong mga to, nag-hire din sila ng social media manager. And ilalagay ko na lang guys lahat ng links sa description and pinned comment. So, yan guys yung gusto kong i-share sa inyo na another type of online job that you can consider kung naghahanap kayo ng part-time lang or kung naghahanap naman kayo ng extra job. Pwede nyo tong gawin guys. So, I hope na nakatulong tong video na to guys. If you have any questions, comments, or content suggestions, iwan nyo lang yan dyan sa comment section below. Don't forget to like this video and share this with your friends and family, lalo na kung na-enjoy nyo to. And kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon below para naman updated ka sa mga next videos natin about work from home and earn from home tips. Kita-kits ulit tayo guys sa ating next episodes and videos about making money online. Bye for now and God bless everyone.